internet video viewing world, and welcome to a box opening video of a package I received today. And let's open up the box here, see what's inside. It is the Nexus Frizzbee Inaudible hard disk drive cooler. Let's open up the bag here and take a look. It says Nexus Frizzbee Inaudible hard drive cooler. There is the product description. Basically tells about that with today's hard drives will run faster and faster and produce more heat, and it's necessary to cool them off, but you don't want to compromise noise to cool it off. And this says that basically minimum noise. And there are the features. Very easy to install for a 3.5 inch hard drive. Single fan with excellent airflow and pressure. Reduces the temperature, hard drive temperature. Extends the lifetime of your hard drive. And inaudible noise level. It says package includes the hard drive cooler and screws. And specifications are 101.6 by 94.6 by 17.8 millimeter. The DC fan dimensions are 60 by 60 by 15. Bearing type is sleeve bearing. The speed is 1500 RPM. Noise level inaudible less than 15 decibels. Maximum airflow is 6.4 CFM. Rated voltage is 12 volt DC. Rated current is 0.03 amps. It's compatible with a 3.5 inch bay, and net weight is 50 grams. And gives the website there, stopthenoise.com, and says it's made in Taiwan. And there's the, I guess, the UPC coding for that. And let's open this up and see what this is all about. Oh, that was very easy to open. Takes a standard 4-pin Molex, which only uses the 2 pins. And comes with 2 screws for the hard drive, and I'll be right back with the hard drive. Okay, what I have here is an older hard drive that basically I just use for mock-ups, and I have the fan. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the 2 screw holes basically towards the back of the hard drive, and you can basically mount this however you like. You could use, there's 3, as you can see here, there are 3 3 holes for the screws to go in. You could use either one of those, and I'm going to use the middle ones. And let me get the screwdriver here. This is pretty cool if you have one of the older hard drives with the Molex power instead of the SATA power. Let me get this tightened up here. You could basically hook it right up to the hard drive and then plug in the power onto this, and then you won't have two power cables. Just zip tie that somehow and loop it around, and there you go. Let me get some measurements here. Okay, this hard drive is about 7/8 of an inch thick, and this with the cooler on here, it is about 1 1/4 inches thick from the top of the fan to the bottom of the hard drive. It's about 1 1/4 inches. So there you have it. I will hopefully we'll plug this in later on and see how, how noisy it is. And thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe and more videos to follow.